Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist, and today we're going to review changing from high flow oxygen therapy to invasive ventilation on the Elisa ICU Ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. So now we're on high flow oxygen therapy and our patient complicates and we want to intubate the patient and put them on invasive again. So we stop ventilation and confirm. We confirm again, and now we will go to tube and confirm, and if we confirm our interface, it gives us an invasive ventilation option, and then you can choose your mode and start ventilation.